Why Wikipedia banned in Pakistan? Technologyia. Why Wikipedia banned in Pakistan? Introduction. Wikipedia is a free, multilingual, online encyclopedia that has been accessible to users worldwide since 2001. With over 50 million articles in more than 300 languages, Wikipedia is one of the largest and most comprehensive sources of information available on the Internet. Purpose of the article. The purpose of this article is to examine the reasons behind the ban on Wikipedia in Pakistan and to analyze its impact on Pakistani society. The article also highlights efforts to unblock the site and calls for action by policymakers and stakeholders. 2. Reasons for banning Wikipedia in Pakistan. Offensive content, propaganda and misinformation. See blasphemy and religious intolerance. The ban on Wikipedia in Pakistan was also driven by concerns over blasphemy and religious intolerance. The government feared that the site could be used to spread material that was offensive to religious beliefs, leading to increased tensions and conflict in the country. 3. Impact of the ban on Pakistani society. Access to information. B. Censorship concerns. C. Economic implications. 4. Attempts to unblock Wikipedia in Pakistan. A. Online petition. B. Protests and demonstrations. C. Efforts by civil society organizations. V. Conclusion. The ban on Wikipedia in Pakistan has been driven by concerns over offensive content, propaganda and misinformation, blasphemy, and religious intolerance. Reflection on the implications of the ban. The ban on Wikipedia in Pakistan reflects a larger trend of censorship and the restriction of access to information in the country. See call to action for policymakers and stakeholders. Policymakers and stakeholders in Pakistan must work together to find a solution that balances the need to protect against offensive content and misinformation with the right to access information. It is important to ensure that the ban on Wikipedia is reversed and that the site is unblocked in order to promote a free and open internet in Pakistan. Facts. Is the ban on Wikipedia permanent in Pakistan? The ban on Wikipedia in Pakistan has not been declared permanent, and there is still hope for the site to be unblocked in the future. Does the ban on Wikipedia apply to all languages on the site? The ban on Wikipedia in Pakistan applies to the entire site, regardless of the language of the content. Can people in Pakistan still access Wikipedia through a VPN? While some people in Pakistan may be able to access Wikipedia through a VPN, the use of VPNs is illegal in the country and comes with the risk of penalties and fines. How does the ban on Wikipedia compare to other internet censorship efforts in Pakistan? The ban on Wikipedia in Pakistan is part of a broader trend of internet censorship in the country, where access to certain websites and content is restricted due to concerns over offensive or inflammatory material. What role do civil society organizations and human rights groups play in the effort to unblock Wikipedia in Pakistan? Civil society organizations and human rights groups play an important role in advocating for the unblocking of Wikipedia in Pakistan.